హలో ఎవ్రీవన్. ఈరోజు నేను ఏపీ సెట్ 2016 క్లాసికల్ మెకానిక్స్లో వచ్చిన ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ని ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేయబోతున్నాను. మనం మొదటి ప్రాబ్లంకి వెళ్ళినట్లయితే ద జనరలైజ్డ్ ఫంక్షన్ ఫర్ ది ట్రాన్స్ఫర్మేషన్ క్యాపిటల్ Q is equal to log of 1 plus Q whole power of cos P and capital P is equal to 2Q whole power of bracket 1 plus Q whole power of into cos P is. ఇక్కడ మనం ఏం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి? జనరలైజ్డ్ ఫంక్షన్ ఆర్ జనరేటింగ్ ఫంక్షన్ని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ఓకేనా? అయితే ఇక్కడ ఏమి ఇచ్చాడు? న్యూ సెట్ ఆఫ్ వేరియబుల్స్ ఇచ్చాడు. దట్ ఈస్ క్యాపిటల్ Q అండ్ క్యాపిటల్ P both are new set of variables and small p and small q are whole set of variables. ఓకే, ఏమి ఇచ్చారు ఇక్కడ? క్యాపిటల్ Q is equal to log of 1 plus root Q. Q of means what? Root Q into cos P. Now applying both sides, e for Q is equal to e power log 1 plus root Q into cos P. E for Q is equal to e for log x value. X means this is the total value is x means 1 plus root Q into cos P. Now you will find root e power Q minus 1 is equal to root Q into cos P. Root P is equal to e power capital Q minus 1 by cos P. Now small q is equal to, applying both sides square, you will get q is equal to capital e for capital Q minus 1 whole square by cos square P. Already you know small q is equal to dou f by dou P. మీకు తెలియకపోతే ఏం చేస్తారు? ఈ ఫార్ములాని గుర్తుంచుకోవాలి. ఓకేనా? ఇప్పుడు నా మనకేం కావాలి? జనరేటింగ్ ఫంక్షన్ కావాలి. dou f or df is equal to minus q into dou or dp into dp. Here df is equal to minus q value e power q minus 1 whole square by cos square p. Here minus and dp. Applying both side integration, f is equal to applying both side integration. Here e power q minus 1 whole square is constant. Integration of dp by cos square p minus here, and f is equal to minus e power q minus 1 whole square into integration of secant square p into dp. 1 by cos square means secant square. F is equal to minus e for q minus 1 whole square secant square integration tan p, means generating function of new variables q and p. Its generating function f is equal to minus e for q minus 1 whole square into tan p. Okay, another problem కి వెళ్ళినట్టయితే the Hamiltonian characteristics function omega is equal to integral j into bracket pj and qi dot j into dt is identified as what action? Generally the formula omega is equal to j into bracket qj q dot j into dt is the action. Need not to prove this one. Next question. The Hamiltonian-Jacobi equation for a conservative system. Now first you write Hamiltonian-Jacobi principal equation, that is h of q comma dou S by dou Q into dou S by dou T is equal to 0. Now comparing all equation, which one is correct? H if Qk dou S by dou T, this is wrong. H of Qk dou S by dou Qk plus dou S by dou T, this is right. This one also wrong. Dou S by dou T, here dou S by dou Q, wrong. Here minus is there, this is also wrong. Option B is correct. The Hamiltonian-Jacobi equation for a conservative system is H of Qk dou S by dou Qk plus dou S by dou T is equal to 0. Next problem. One of the following is not property of Poisson bracket. Okay. Next, Poisson bracket means AB is equal to what? Dou A by dou Q dou B by dou P minus dou A by dou P into dou B by dou Q. Now here need not to do any proof. First check option A. It is correct or wrong or right. Generally, a commutator of a Poisson bracket of AB is equal to minus B into A minus minus Poisson bracket of B A means option X Poisson bracket of XY is equal to minus YX. This is correct. Poisson bracket of itself is 0 and Poisson bracket of this one. First you write X Y. Now you write no third option. Third one now you will write like this: A B C is equal to, first you write BC. Here this is left side, means left side B in B Poisson bracket of A comma C. Now you will write here Poisson bracket of A and B, right side C. Comparing here, replacing A instead of X, now we'll write X comma YZ. X comma YZ is equal to Y into XZ plus X comma Y into Z. Option C also right. Next, last one. A B plus C means AB plus A comma C, but here minus is there, means option D is wrong. Last question. For a certain canonical transformation, capital Q is equal to root over small q square and small p square. Okay, generating function also given. Capital F is equal to half into q square plus p square into tan inverse q by p. Now you will find the capital P in case of q and p. Already I told you q and capital P are new set of variables and small q and small p are old set of variables. Okay, here now write q square is equal to q square, applying both sides square, q square is equal to small q square and small p square. Now I will write F is equal to 2 into q square plus p square value, q square, capital q square into tan inverse q by p. Here adding term is what? Half into q into phi. Here also half into q into phi. Already you know what you want. new set of momentum variable means capital P is equal to minus dou F by dou Q. Now you'll find this is the F. Okay, now we'll find capital Q is equal to minus dou F by dou Q. F means what? Half into Q square into tan inverse Q by P plus of QP. Now differentiating with respect to capital Q, you will get what? You will get minus half into 2Q square, differentiation 2Q tan inverse small q by small p. This is constant. ఓన్లీ మనం దేని పరంగా డిఫరెన్షియేషన్ చేస్తున్నాం? క్యాపిటల్ క్యూ పరంగా చేస్తున్నాం కాబట్టి స్మాల్ పి కాన్స్టెంట్ అండ్ మీన్స్ tan inverse q by p term is constant. Okay, now 1 by q into 1 by half into small q small p. This is also constant, means value 0 means you get 2 cancel. Capital P is equal to minus q into tan inverse q by p, means now you know right here q value what? Root over minus root over q square p square into tan inverse small q by capital P. This is the answer. What is given? A certain canonical transformation. Capital Q is given, generative function is given. Now you will find the new P, capital P find out cheyali. Main chesanu Q square, applying both sides square, Q square is equal to small q square plus small p square. Identi F is equal to this value what? Q square na. Now I will replace here. F is equal to half capital Q square tan inverse q by p plus half into qp. Okay, already you know capital P is equal to minus dou f by dou q. P is equal to minus dou f by dou q. F is what? Of q square, capital Q square tan inverse q by p, tan inverse small q by small p of into qp. Okay, differentiating with respect to capital Q means this term is constant, means 0. This term minus of into capital Q square value 2Q, 2 get cancelled, tan inverse q by p, means p, capital P is equal to you get minus capital Q into tan inverse small q by capital P. Already you know what is the q. Q means root over q square plus p square. Capital P is equal to minus q square plus p square into tan inverse q by p, means f in the function of f is function of what? Whole set of variables, that is the q and p. P is equal to